No, so we have not had we have just had a first meeting where we have now introduced the different MLAs, different chairmen to the counterparts, and we have asked them now to start meeting all the stakeholders at the regional level, because there is, different district councils are there. Then we have different political parties, MLAs, we have civil society. So it's important to take everybody along. So those meetings are taking place, and they're meeting. Even just 2 days back, the Honorable Minister, the Honorable Deputy CM had a meeting in Nongpo. So this process is on. We were trying to ensure that we talk to everybody and carry everybody along and take their suggestions. So it's a long process, and it'll require a lot of work. So it started now. The initial small suggestions and reports that have been coming in are there with us, but it will not be appropriate to share that right now, because, as I said, it's a long drawn affair, and we want to ensure that we take everybody along in the decisions that we take. We have not planned it yet, but very shortly we'll be working out, and may not be visiting all the locations. The Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be going to specific locations only. We have not decided which and when, but we have decided that we will go. But in the meantime, the regional committee heads and the Assam counterparts will be visiting also very soon to the different areas, and having ground checks and consultations with them. I think each committee member will know that, so it will not be my